How would you like to be sitting somewhere like this, knowing that your hard-earned money was protected in a United States of America property in namely Detroit, Michigan, not just protected, but making you money? That's what's happening with my own properties in Detroit. I'm sitting here and my properties are making me money. It's a beautiful thing. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how I did it. I'm going to tell you how you can do it. I'm going to tell you exactly what it would cost. And I'm going to give you my top trick to making sure that your return on investment stays in the double digits. So let's get started. So right now I am in northern Michigan while my properties are back in Detroit making me money, and like my biggest concern is behind me there's this helicopter Coast Guard rescue going on, and then there's this ugly barge and they're building someone a seawall. That's kind of what's on my mind today because my houses, they're just making money. So let me tell you how it all began. So my husband and I, back in 2007, we decided to buy our first rental property in Detroit, and it went really well for us. We ended up with a dozen houses. So let's fast forward to 2015. In 2015, enough people started harassing us saying, hey, can you do it for us too? So we said, sure, why not? So what we do is we choose the houses ourselves, we get them renovated, we then place a tenant, and then we sell the houses to investors all over the country and all over the world who really want to have a good return on investment. We tracked it since 2015, our investors have made between 9 to 15% return on investment. How can we do this for you? Well, I happen to have a few properties. Check out this one at 20099 Hamburg. This one is currently for sale. We are selling it for, I told you I'd give you the prices, $49,500. It's 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. The insurance is $600 a year. The taxes are $1,114 a year. The property management is 10% of the rental amount, and the rental amount is $825 a month. It's currently rented. I've got 2 really great tenants. They just got married. The most amazing wedding dresses. Her dress and his suit were just like out of a fairy tale. The coolest people. And they're great at paying rent. They've got good rental history. They keep the house absolutely immaculate, like her beautiful wedding dress. That one is currently available. Now we only do 2 to 3 a month. So if this interests you, be sure you contact me, Monique at Great Day PM, or you can call me on my cell number. I'm happy to talk to you more. The other house I have available is at 20214 Cary. Check this one out. I absolutely love this kitchen and I love this bathroom, and the tenant is the nicest lady. It's she and her mother and 2 little kids. They're so darn cute, and they've been great at paying rent, and everything is going smoothly as can be. Now that's a really cool neighborhood because there's a strong neighborhood association, and the neighborhood head person is right across the street from her. Once again, I told you I'd tell you the price. Same thing, 3 bedroom, 1 bath. We sell them for $49,500. I'm going to give you my tips on keeping that return on investment in the double digits. So the first thing is you have to have the right neighborhood. We've already taken care of that for you. You kind of have to be in Detroit to understand Detroit. This is not Detroit. If I know this, this does not mean I know Detroit. My husband, though, was raised in Detroit, so he knows Detroit. The other thing is you have to know how to renovate a house. A lot of people see houses for less than $50,000 in Detroit, and they're like, why wouldn't I buy that? I'll tell you why you wouldn't buy that, because you can't find a crew in Detroit to renovate it, especially not right now during the coronavirus. Good luck finding somebody that is going to renovate a house with any kind of quality at all when they can get so much more on unemployment. So we happen to have a really good crew that are just really super loyal to my husband doing our renovations. And then the other key, of course, you can lose your shirt on the tenants. I feel like I'm pretty good at placing tenants. I am in the process of making a whole series of videos about Section 8. So be sure you check those out. Here's the one, Section 8 for Dummies. Not that I'm calling you a dummy, but just in case you don't know what it is. I've got about 20 videos all about how to get good government money for your rent. Not all my tenants have Section 8, but there's a big process to finding the right tenant for your property to keep your investment good. And I think like an investor because I am one. The biggest, most important thing that I think when it comes to investing in Detroit is the property management. You can do all that stuff right, but if you don't have the right property manager, you know what they're gonna do? They're gonna make all their money charging you for maintenance fees. I don't think like that. I think like an investor because I am one, and I want you to keep buying houses in Detroit, and I want you to tell all your friends to buy them too. So when we're going through our maintenance, it just doesn't work that way. So if you're interested, like I said, we do usually have a waiting list going on because we only do 2 to 3 a month. We're a small company, excellent service. I could go on and on, but I'm not gonna bore you. So check me out on YouTube. I've got this whole channel for Detroit investors. I've got this one going on with the Section 8. Here's my latest upload, and be sure you subscribe to stay in touch with me. Thanks for watching.